Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of, well, not really. I actually got this back in August and I did unbox it back then, but I put everything back in the box so that when it's Christmas time, when I want to do this, I'll go do this. But it's an LED diamond painting, which this is my first one that has LEDs. I got this from Huacan on AliExpress. And it came in the box. The box was pretty bad shape when I got it, and you could get, if you don't know how to diamond paint, there are instructions in the back. So here it is. Oh, see, I even just kept the plastic that was around the diamond painting. And so there's the diamond painting. Oh, this is a 30 by 40, I believe. And I think I must have put the, what's it called, toolkit with my other pile of toolkits. So it does come, it doesn't have a legend on it, probably because it is an LED one and you don't really want to see the legend. I do kind of not like that there is some, it's not perfectly on there. There is some sides, but you know what? I think this will look awesome when it's lit up. Oh, I did go get some batteries, so let's test this sucker. Let's see. I did test this back in August when I got this, so let's hope it still works. I'm putting in the batteries into the back here. Am I not putting that the wrong direction? Okay, wow. Okay, and there's a switch back here, so let's hope it works. Oh, yay! Look at it, it's sparkling. Ooh, I think this is gonna be awesome. So it looks like it sparkles at the light post and then all the windows and then on the Christmas tree outside. So I think that's gonna be awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take out the batteries because I don't want to waste the batteries while I'm diamond painting it. Okay. But the one bad thing about these LEDs is you're not going to be able to put this on a, what do you call that? Light pad, but no problem. So I did already inventory all the drills. What's it called, when I first got it, and so they're all there and they come in like these typical strip things. Oh, this is a round 30 by 40. Here is the, I guess, symbol list, or you know, the key. Unfortunately there are no DMC codes for this one, so yeah, I wish they made this bigger. It's such a tiny sheet of paper. This is like 1/4 of a sheet of paper, but as you know, you wouldn't really be diamond painting if you can't read the symbols, and these are bigger than the symbols on the diamond painting. But here you guys could see how clear the symbols look. So, well, I'll do another video when I complete this. Well, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye!